Good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm one of the best educational consultants. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Now, the class, I'm going to look into how to answer calculation in physics. Calculation in physics. Now, before we go to calculations in physics, now let's look into how are you going to answer calculation in physics 1? Physics calculation. Physics calculations. 1. Note that sometimes questions in physics are all about comparison. You compare two things. Yes, sir. Or you compare two body, or you compare two formulas. Yes, sir. Sometimes it might be based on that. One, the question calculation in physics can be based on comparison, or based on comparison, or based on and compare different formulas from this, or based on dimension, or you can say based on their derivative. So now when you know this, you know peace. When you know this, you know peace. These are what you need to know. So I'm going to teach you. Take it one after the other. Let's take the comparison method so that you know it before we go to derivatives. Comparison in physics is all about they can compare two body, the same body. Do you understand? So that's why when you are seeing something like they can say F1, that is work 1, D1 equals to F2, D2. So this is simply means that work done in a body 1 is equals to work done in a body 2. You see, they are comparing two body now. They are comparing work done in one body and work done in two body. So do you know what you know in physics? Before you calculate anything, you use parameters. You write down the parameters. Parameters means setting them as they ask you. First one, you did first one equals to this, first two equals to that, first three equals to this, first two for this, distance this. You are looking for this. Then check it from the parameter. The parameter will help you to know the formula you're going to use. So now physics, what I mean by comparison is that physics can compare two body 1 and body 2. Do you understand? For that comparison, do you understand? They can compare kinetic energy and potential energy. Comparison. Are you getting me? Half mv square with mgh. So this man, they can compare these two man. They can compare this man. They can also compare body 1 of kinetic energy on one with another compare body 2 of kinetic energy. They can compare body 1 of this one. They can compare anything. Do you understand? With body 2. Just know that physics is all about comparison. They can compare two things. They can compare one formula with another formula. They can compare anything they like. They can compare Boyle's law with Charles' law. They can compare Boyle's law with another Boyle's law. That is B1 V1 equals to P2 V2. You understand? It simply means that two bodies are there. It's not one body. Two things. That is comparison. When you're comparing this and this. So it's all about when you have a mindset that physics is all about comparison. Just know the formula. They can compare this formula with another formula. They can compare. When we start calculation, you know it more and more. They can compare one kinetic energy with potential. They can compare heat energy with anything. They can compare electric energy with. They can compare any formula. They can compare Boyle's law with Charles' law. They can compare Boyle's law with kinetic energy. They can just once you write it out, you check the formula for the first one. You say that the formula for first one is equals to the formula for second one. So anything you are doing, just know it. They can compare kinetic energy with elastic energy. Is stored in an elastic body. They can compare these two. They can even compare the MGH potential energy with elastic energy or with half Fe. So I want you to know this so that when we start calculation, you know them more and more. All these things are from Jamb syllabus. We are taking the one after the other. So physics is all about comparison. They can compare two formula. Just know that physics is all about comparing two formula or comparing one body with another body. So when you write down the parameters, had even they give you F1, give you F2, give you F3, tell you to find the distance in the second one, you now do what? Substitution method. You now make this one the subject formula. They can give you this one, ask you to find velocity. They can give you mass. You cancel the mass. They can give you gram. They cannot give this one. They can give you only height. You know that this one is constant 10. What you will do now is that this one, you take 2 here, it becomes 2gh, everything, all square root. Do you understand? That is V. So it's not too hard. We are going to do it one after the other. This is a comparison. They can compare anything. Physics is all about comparison. So when we are done, tomorrow we are going to do all the calculation under this one, the calculation and the machine. Do you understand? So we're going to do it tomorrow. Just know that physics is all about comparison. Thanks so much, friend.